Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling pins that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ebun's wooden rolling pin. Are you drawn to the American-style handled rolling pin for baking? Then, you'll love the Ebun's wooden rolling pin. It fits right into that classy traditional baker's rolling pin category, with a steady and controlled grip being its most alluring component. The product is made of solid wood, and it's got a remarkable fit and finish that makes it your go-to pin for all heavy-duty rolls. This rolling pin measures 18 inches in total length with 4 inches handle on both sides. This rolling pin works into the wheelhouse of people who aren't necessarily fans of length. It also adds that traditional aesthetics to your kitchen, and while it's not dishwasher safe, you will still be able to wipe and dry it quickly thanks to a moisture-resistant hardwood material. Customers have complained about the size of this rolling pin, claiming that it's too small. This is a relative complaint. Of course, you might like it this way, or want something more significant. What works for you won't work for someone else. You may also like some of the best pasta makers from our list, so take a moment to check them out. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GoodCook Classic Wooden Rolling Pin. From making cookies to other forms of quick bread and every task revolving around flattening and shaping dough, the GoodCook Classic Wooden Rolling Pin comes in very handy. If you are looking for a traditional baking accessory, GoodCook certainly found it. The manufacturer offers a classic rolling pin that will certainly become a long-lasting inventory in your kitchen range. Crafted with wood from decot trees, this rolling pin stands out thanks to its undemanding bearings. What's more, the pin is designed with detachable handles that come off the metal rod in the center of the pin. And thanks to the sturdy, genuine hardwood, it can, therefore, be cleaned by hand. Furthermore, with the smooth composition, it is ideal for rolling out different types of dough. You can easily hold the dough roller ideally on the 2 handles and guide it effortlessly over the dough. No doubt, this versatile cooking utensil is a top-notch product which measures 17 inches with the handle and 10 inches without. Fairly light in weight, 0.8 ounces, and easy to use, it is difficult to fault this product, and ultimately, that's the kind of quality we all yearn for in kitchen utensils. For sure, it will make a classic wooden representative for all your home baking needs and a useful gift for foodies who like cooking. At number 3, we have the original straight rolling pin. Uncomplicated handling, as well as appropriate product suitability, are essential when baking or cooking. This is why kitchen utensils such as baking pins are well loved. The place of wooden rolling pins in the kitchen has remained solid for decades, and you can't help but find one in almost every home. The original straight rolling pin is one commonly wooden rolling pin that offers complete control of dough without much stress during the rolling process. Made of solid beech wood, the intuitive design of this rolling pin means you can feel and gauge the progress of the dough while rolling. That way, you can apply more or less pressure as the case may be. Even better is the fact the material this pin is made of is not just durable but also leaves a smooth texture. This is also thanks to the tapered ends and non-stick technology applied that make rolling much easier and functional. Additionally, if you have a kitchen pantry or cabinet with limited space, be assured that the original straight rolling pin will not occupy much room, thanks to its sleek and economical design. You may also be interested in some of the top donut makers from our list, so don't forget to check them out. At number 2, we have the Muso Wood Wooden French Rolling Pin. Made of solid beech wood from Europe, the Muso Wood French Rolling Pin is certainly one of the best baking accessories that don't allow bacteria to find a resting place on its surface. This is due to the fine and smooth composite nature. So, if you often worry about fungus growth on your rolling pin, Muso assures you of safety with this piece. The kitchen tool is perfect for rolling out fondant and dough for pizza, cookies, and bread among others. Furthermore, it is made of 100% natural wood with its natural color still intact. Despite all its great qualities, it's also worth highlighting that this pin can only be hand-washed and should not be placed in a dishwasher or left soaked in water. Nevertheless, you'll be pleased to know that storing it in the kitchen does not require much space because of its functional shape and size. Overall, this is a top-notch, durable and food-safe pin. You can implement many different baking ideas, and thanks to the non-stick composition, the dough stays where it belongs, on the surface. In addition, rolling out dough will not require any unnecessary effort. You can simply prepare your dough gently, knowing that only the best results will be achieved. If you are a fan of both smart technology and cooking, you will surely love some of the best smart kitchen gadgets from our list, so check them out. And finally, at number 1, we have the silicone rolling pin with wooden handle. With its heat-insulating properties and relentless stability, this silicone rolling pin makes for the perfect kitchen tool with the best results for making pastries, fondant, and everything in between. What's more, non-stick treatment technology is applied here to ensure your dough doesn't cling to the rolling pin and to also make cleaning up a lot easier after each use. In addition to the blue silicone surface, this rolling pin comes built with wooden handles that offer a strong grip, as well as the room to apply required pressure on the dough. And since it's a non-stick rolling pin, the dough is not expected to cling to it, but in case it does, a little coat of oil or flour will magic it away. As for durability, rest assured that this silicone rolling pin will stand up to the job for years to come, and you won't need to bother about dough getting stuck and forming bacteria over time. Even better is the fact that stress-free cleaning is attached to it. Preferably, use warm soapy water to wash after each use. This can be done by hand or in a dishwasher, before immediately drying. Altogether, this silicone rolling pin measures 1.97 inches for the width, while the length of the roller is 15.15 inches. For more handy kitchen tools like this, read our comprehensive guide to the best cheese slicer and find the right one for your home. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.